Alright, in this module we're going to talk about the Pages tab right here. These pages will align with these links up here. These pages are the web pages that reside in the website. Right now you have Home, About, Community, which is a subpage that doesn't show up in the menu, Services, and Support Us. As you can see, this page navigation up here can help you to go to any of the pages that you want to look at or edit. But right now we're going to edit it through the Pages tab right here. For Home, we don't need to do much. We want a home page, we want it to show up. The page name is how it's going to show up in the menu up here, and the page address determines how it's going to show up in the URL after your website name. Now these SEO page settings determine how Google searches for your class web page. The page title is how it might appear right here. So if we put this in, and we're going to say EDTC 5335 class web page, Texas State University, this is how it would look that would appear right here. Now for the description, that would go right here. Keywords is how you search it, so you might say EDTC 5335 Texas State. And that's about it. You can change the page style a bit. Like you can say personalize this page. You can look through the presets and say, I kind of like that. So I'll say, okay, I'm going to add that little detail to my page. And then you can click done. With the about page, as soon as you click on it, it'll go to this page right here. Now you can change these settings right here. We're going to go ahead and change this one's name to this course. It also appears up in this menu up here, and we also need to change the page address to align with it. We might put this course. Now remember, in the URL bar up here, there is never going to be a space. So if you want a space, it's going to default it to a hyphen up here. Now you can also do this without putting a space. You can also set the SEO's page settings and change the page style if you want to. But we're just going to be done with that for now. The community page, well, we might not want a sub page right now, so we just go in here and see up here we have two options, delete or duplicate. We can go ahead and click delete, and it asks, are you sure? And we say yes, delete, and it removes it from our pages list. Now if we go to the services page, we want to change this as well because we're making this an education page. We might want to change this to assignments. Of course, we have to change the page address to align with that. We'll go ahead and click done. Now say you kind of like this page. You like the way it's set up. So you might want to duplicate it. Now you want to put a page name, and we're going to call this one Calendar, because we're going to need a calendar with events and such in our website. And that's good. It tacks it right on the ends to your menu there, and it puts it down at the bottom here. Now you can also shift this up or down if you want to make it a sub-page by shifting it a little bit to the right, or as a main page by shifting it back to the left, or you can put it back down. Now we're going to go ahead and change the Support Us to our Resources page. And don't forget to change the page address. Now here's the thing, we've run out of pages to play with, so we might want to add a page. This allows you to select a different type of layout. They have presets of all sorts. If you have a different need, there's different types. But I'm going to go ahead and select the About To page. Or no, let's go ahead and select the About 3 page. And we're going to name the page FAQ, because everybody needs a frequently asked pages section. So we're going to say OK. Now it's added here, added up here in the menu as well, and we see the page address is already set. And there we have our pages set up.